Have you ever wondered how much money you need to start a drop shipping business? Well, I'm here to show you how to start a drop shipping business on Shopify with no money. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. By the way, for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're willing to help today, make sure to like and share the video so more people can see it, please. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, that is okay. Go ahead and subscribe right away. It doesn't cost you anything. And I will bring you daily valuable content and other personal finance tips in the future. So, how do you start a drop shipping business on Shopify with no money? Well, I would say very easy actually. But let me first explain what is drop shipping for those of you that might not fully understand it. So drop shipping, in a nutshell, is a business model in which you sell products that you physically do not inventory or don't even own yet. Here's the easiest way to explain how it works. If I can sell you a pair of sunglasses for $50 so you can enjoy the summer, you as a customer will pay me for the product right away. Then I would turn around and buy the pair of glasses from my supplier for $30 and ship them directly to you. With this transaction, I just made $20 profit. Well, minus some other expenses, of course. You see, it's simple as that. One of the most common places you have probably seen a drop shipper is Amazon. Yep, Amazon is full of them. Have you paid attention to the shipping times of some of the items there? 2 to 4 weeks? That's ludicrous. But you buy an item from the seller, they turn around and order it from China for you, and you wait 2 to 4 weeks to receive it. And that is called drop shipping. So, how can you start a drop shipping business with no money? Well, you would need time more than anything else. Time to do some research and set up your drop shipping venture. You will need to choose a product you wish to sell and identify your ideal customer more than anything else. Once you have those two in a rough draft, you can proceed to set up your store. Believe it or not, you do need a store. I mean, you can drop ship on Facebook groups or local sales websites, even like Craigslist, if it exists nowadays, but I wouldn't recommend it. You need a professionally looking store, and Shopify, in my opinion, is the perfect platform. You can be up and running within a day. Once you get more experienced, you can start dropshipping on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even Amazon, like I mentioned in my example. You see, Shopify gives you 14 days free trial. No credit card needed. You can build a store and start selling within a day. Now, one catch here is that Shopify will issue you a default URL address for your store, something like abcstore.myshopify.com. That looks unprofessional to me. So my recommendation will be to spend $10 and buy yourself a domain that you want to be your website for your store. Inside the settings of Shopify, you can simply change the URL and have a more professional store from the start. You pick one of the free themes that Shopify offers and you're pretty much all set. Well, except you need something to sell, right? And that is where Oberlo comes into place. You see, Oberlo is an app that can be linked to your Shopify store that will give you access to millions of products from AliExpress. AliExpress is something like the Amazon of China, just to put it simply. Oberlo has a free package, and that means no money needed to get started. Once you have linked Oberlo with Shopify, with a click of a button, you can import some products and voila, you have a store with products ready to sell. Now, once you make a sale, again, with a click of a button, you can fulfill those sales from Oberlo, pay the product, and have it shipped directly to the customer. Like and share this video, by the way, so more people can learn how easy it is to start a dropshipping business with no money. But probably the most important part of running a dropshipping business is not necessarily the store and the products, even though by all means those are critical parts, but it all boils down to marketing and customer acquisition, right? You can't sell if you can't find customers. I'm not going to lie to you. In order to run a successful dropshipping business, you will need to spend some money on marketing and run ads on platforms like Facebook and Google. But to dip your toes and make sure you have everything in order, you can do some free marketing as well. Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, and any local websites in your area that allow you to post free classifieds. Sit down, type ads, and make posts all day long by sending people to your new store so they can buy your products. Believe it or not, I did over $10,000 selling just like this before I spent any money on marketing for my dropshipping store. And before we wrap it up, there are a few things you want to make sure you have in place as well. Your store will need a story page or about us page, a page that explains something about your venture, your story. You will also need contact information on your store so people can contact you. Personally, I prefer to do only email so I don't have to deal with phone calls all day long, but customer service is key. One more thing you want to outline is shipping and return policies to make sure people are aware of those as well. And lastly, you want to chat with your supplier that you find on Oberlo just to make sure that they're solid and provide great services as well. You can even order one of the products that you want to sell for yourself to see how the packaging look like and what is the shipping times as well. Overall, everything I listed for you in this video can be done within a couple of days, and you can have dropshipping business that generates you extra income. Neither Shopify or Oberlo will need coding skills unless you want to start building a real brand. So the setup can be done by almost anyone with a computer and an internet connection. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials on how to set all this up. And of course, if you need me to help you, I'm more than happy to do so. Reach out to me directly from thefinancekid.com and I can help you get started. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I have given you all the updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock. As soon as we know more, as soon as I'm ready to share more, you will see it right here on the Finance Kid channel. I want to say thank you if you have subscribed to my channel already. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification, because I will continue to bring you valuable content. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share if that's the case so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will see some other helpful links and helpful videos as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.